This is our NAE project, vehicle-specific lanes. This is my design, Alexander Turhar. The definition of vehicle-specific lanes: traffic lanes that are designed specifically for one type of vehicle. They're similar to bike lanes, but on a larger and more advanced scale. Here are a couple examples. We have the cars, HOV, the emergency and commercial, and bikes. We have a visual representation. This is the old signs. This is our new signs that we're going to implement. These are also the scanners that we're going to have underneath that will scan the vehicles. We'll get more into that later. Here's our 3D model of the scanner. We have the secured rim. We have the outer shell that gives that the overall appearance, so it doesn't seem that cluttered. And then we have the vehicle's sensor and scanner all built in within the inside of that. Here we have the visual representation. On the left is now, and now it's really bad. It's really cluttered, congested. As you can see, there was a car accident. It happens a lot now. But with the new VSLs, we organize traffic. We make everything decongested, smooth traffic flow, and it makes traffic so much better. In the background, since the problem lies within Jakarta, advanced technology is difficult to include in many major projects that will help with the traffic jams due to Jakarta's current economic status. And that is true with our project. The cost to technology ratio is pretty high, but it is very possible for Jakarta's developing nation. So the traffic scanners, what they do is they scan the vehicles, and if the vehicles are not in the right lane, they could either find them or they could move them into the right lane. So if a car's in the commercial lane, it'll go to the car lane, kind of like the smart cars, the toys that would follow the lines and travel along those lines. The help features, hopefully, will get the traffic decongested from 5 miles per hour. Nobody likes that. And hopefully we'll get it to 60 miles per hour. This should organize the traffic in Jakarta and decongest a lot of the traffic flow. Here we have an example of what it would be now with all the big traffic stuff there. And then with the VSLs, it would transform into the open space that we have here. The design criteria, it does follow a lot of it. It is really well. The only thing that was rated poorly was the cost. It is not efficient. It's not as efficient as many things due to Jakarta's economic situation. On the weighted score, the cost is the lowest, but everything else is up there. The safety, the appearance, effectiveness, and efficiency have near perfect score because it works so well. Thank you so much.